So, welcome everyone to the presentation of the project Smart Invest. It's the first one of the first recordings in English. You see here powered by BFDA. This means Black Forest Digital Assets. And it's a crypto wealth management company founded from Stefan Lump, which is also the initiator of the project. And this company is located in Switzerland, but he has different other companies, for example, in Georgia where he has a crypto license, and also in Dubai. And so from this background, all this experience, knowledge came together and resulted in this project called Smart Invest. Yeah, Smart Invest is a high risk, but also a high profit portfolio, and you will know later what the special advantage of this whole concept is. It's not just about doing an investment in a special portfolio. It's about being part of a movement. We have a lot of fun together. We have great new relationships, and so this is also a huge part of this whole project. We are building a great community. Yeah, very important for the beginning, the disclaimer, the legal notice. In general, we have to say that we have risky investments here, and you have to prove or make your own decision based on your financial knowledge or experience about your financial situation, about your financial, or based on your financial planning. So we are an investment community. Everyone is taking his own decision and also his own responsibility. We, from the whole team and from the project, do our very best, but there is the risk of losing money. So we cannot guarantee for any money which are invested, but you will know later about the whole project and the strategy. Yeah, there is no financial advice, no tax advice, no guarantee, no financial recommendation. We are all investors, and people, of course, can get to know it and to join if they want, but on their own responsibility. And it's a promising entrepreneurial investment, as I said, in your own responsibility. So the problems we are facing today, there is so much on the market, and it's not really possible to evaluate with all these different locations where companies are based, with all these new technologies, with crypto, with trading, and so on. So many systems are not really long on the market, maybe because of different reasons. And for the average people or people who are not deep into these markets, they are not really able to validate the projects. And this is a huge problem. People go searching for opportunities to invest money in the internet, and they put trust in a project, and often they lose money. And yeah, there are no offices. They are located offshore and so on. And if there is a problem, you have no chance to really get in contact with them. And so this is a huge problem. Also, people made bad experience, got frustrated, and left opportunities. And this is the reason why this project was set up. And yeah, I said there are also all these new technologies, trading, crypto, and so on. And it's not also transparent. for few reasons, that's okay, and I can understand, because no one want to share everything, or yeah, have the regulators watching on them. There are many reasons, but you never know if you, like Stefan Lump says, if you have a black or a white knight in front of you, people with good intentions or with bad intentions. And of course, there are more black knights than the white guys. So the result is, yeah, people are overwhelmed. You are not able to do your own due diligence and really to come to a result where you say, okay, I know this is a good or a bad project. And then also for small investors who are not deep into this, especially in the crypto field, many projects are too complicated, and then people start and stuck and give up, and also maybe you do a mistake, then you lose money. So yeah, it's not so easy, and we want to make things easier, and this is the reason why Smart Invest was invented or started. Yeah. Also, we have this high risk portfolio, and there are statistics, and when you have a high risk portfolio, when you go in one single investment, you have 100% success or 100% loss rate. So maybe it works or it works not. If you have if you spread it on 10 different investments, then you already lower the risk extremely. If you go in 15 or maybe at the end 20 investments, there is a huge diversification, and so you lower the risk. Some maybe are total loss, and when you invest just in one single project, then you maybe you face one loss and then you lose all your money. So the portfolio which is put together is convenient for the customer, and we bring together the best of different markets, of different worlds, which is really for the average person who just want to invest money and don't want to get an expert in different fields, which is a very easy solution or a very comfortable solution. Fact is, we are coming from saving, from times where people used to do saving money, and we are moving towards investing money, because we have now a period where governments increase their debt, and this causes inflation. So people are looking for alternatives to really outperform the inflation and build up more buying power. And yeah, just saving where you put money on the bank with 2% or 3% interest per year doesn't make any sense, and doesn't make sense anymore. So many people are lost looking for alternatives, and this is the idea of giving people an opportunity, and even when they just start with a small amount, get to know it, build trust or confidence, and then maybe to get deeper into it, to get to know the people behind it, and then yeah, to move forward. Yeah, if you want to earn money solidly, pay it in, lean back and enjoy. If you don't want to worry, if you want to experience financial well-being or even freedom, if you are looking for a reputable product partner, if you are looking just for more than just a project inside a project, so there is a huge portfolio there. If you want to reduce risk, and if you want to have flexibility, transparency, and maybe you want also to build a network, you can do it. And so yeah, if you are looking for some of these aspects, you're very welcome and you are at the right place. So we had a meeting in Dubai when the project was in the beginning, and this is now in a video clip in German, but I will play it because maybe you get a little bit also the feeling, and I will comment it, of course.
Smart Invest habe ich kennengelernt und es hat mich gleich begeistert, weil es so simpel und einfach eben für mich smart ist.
Für jedermann zugänglich, sei es für Menschen, die eben schon Investoren sind, sei es aber auch für Menschen wie mich, die vorher, also bis vor 3-4 Jahren, mit dem Bereich Finanzen und Investment gar nicht große Berührung hatten.
Ein Smart Invest begeistert mich hauptsächlich, weil ich es mit einem Menschen zu tun habe, der ein unheimliches Netzwerk hat und einen Erfahrungsschatz und das alles jetzt in Smart Invest reinfließen lässt.
Für mich als Wealth Manager ist es immer unglaublich wichtig, dass ich diversifiziere.
Wenn das ganze Thema einfach zu handeln ist, dann ist das für mich smart.
Das, was wir jetzt hier die Tage erleben, ist die Tatsache, dass es auch Investitionsmöglichkeiten sind, auf die ich vielleicht gar nicht kommen würde. Und das ist eigentlich so das Besondere. Diese miteinander kombiniert können eigentlich nur Menschen machen, die Family Office beschäftigen, Riesenkohle haben, Riesenvermögen haben und sagen, ich könnte mal hier investieren und da investieren und da investieren. Und genau das kannst du jetzt hier eben auch. Finde ich sensationell.
Es ist hier bei Smart Invest aus meiner Sicht optimal für den Kunden, für den Anwender gelöst, dass er sich eigentlich gar nicht selbst drum kümmern braucht. Ich habe Kompetenz im Hintergrund. Es gibt Menschen, die haben jahrelang, jahrzehntelange Erfahrung und ich kann diese Erfahrung einfach für mich nutzen.
Was für mich selber als Finanzmensch hochinteressant ist, ist die Tatsache, dass es eben breit gestreut ist. Es wird über viele verschiedene Projekte gestreut, sodass, wenn selbst mal eins nicht funktioniert, nicht gut funktioniert, eventuell sogar Totalschaden erleidet, dass man nicht mein ganzes Geld gefährdet wird. Das finde ich total klasse. Ich kann also hier mit kleinem Geld einfach, aber trotzdem eine riesen Rendite generieren und kann mir im Laufe der Zeit ein kleines oder auch ein großes Vermögen aufbauen. Und das ist eigentlich das, wo ich sage, Leute, das müsst ihr machen, weil das Risiko ist am Ende des Tages im einzelnen Projekt gegeben, in der Art und Weise, wie es jetzt gemacht ist, sehr, sehr überschaubar, wie ich persönlich finde.
Das hat mich total überzeugt und es funktioniert. Und das ist sehr entscheidend.
Yeah, we had very intensive days, and we've been just 5 first movers, 5 beginners there. It was a very deep and personal time where we also shared some ups and downs from our life, and this was really creating a strong team where we said, okay, we will really commit to this project and move forward to build it up. And we are not pushing extremely. It's more our goal to grow steadily and solid. So yeah, this is the focus. We want to build this project. We want to give the opportunity to join with small amounts. So the project is in euro, and so you have the facts here. The minimum payout is 50 euro. So when you join, you start in just a short time to be part of the earnings. So there will be daily payouts, and the initial investment is the duration is 1 year, and you can deposit with crypto. If you are not familiar with crypto, try to have someone to help you to get started with crypto. But there is also the opportunity to pay in with bank wire, but then you have to do a request on with the support function. So there is a range of earnings. Right now we have 4.5% monthly return, so 0.15 per day, and 10%, what is written here, 10% of the profits is going into a pool for charity, where I tell you more later. Our goal is to have 3 to 6% profit per month, and at the end of every month there is the team having a meeting and deciding if the payout of the next month will be the same or if it has to be adjusted. So for 1 month it's always the same, and then there will be the team looking on the results of the last month and then deciding if to adjust. So Networker with Heart is association located in Switzerland, founded from Stefan, to really help people in our personal network, in our personal relationships, and it's open also for our team, for the Smart Invest community. If you have projects, if you have people in need, there is the opportunity to also bring it to Stefan or to the team of Networker with Heart. And the idea is to have direct money into put into projects without having a lot cut of the money, like in some of the big non-profit institutions. So there is directly money arriving at the projects. So every month there will be the amount from the whole earnings going into Networker with Heart. In June we had 7,500 euro, which is put in different projects. And so there is one example. This is a partner living in Paraguay, and a friend of her had eye problems, and there was the medical treatment and the operation paid for her, and so we helped that she don't lose her eyelight. And that was a great opportunity to help, and really to help someone to solve a problem and to do something good. Also, there was a donation in the past in Berlin. It's an association which make daycare for people, programs, social work, and helping them to do the school homework, and which is an opportunity for kids from people from poor families or with a bad social background, to have people who listen to them, to hear for them and to support them. So also there was the opportunity to help. So now coming to the project, as many of you know already, when someone showed the project to you, it's very easy to handle on Telegram in the smartphone. It's a very simple menu, and one of the slogans of Stefan in his life, always, also his father told him, success is where things are simply easy. So don't make it too complicated. Keep it simple, that everyone can do it, and everyone can step in very easy, and is not overwhelmed with complicated procedure. Yeah, this is also part of the menu. When you do the pay in, you can choose different crypto currencies, and yeah, you see everything on Telegram in your account. Many people say, okay, when Telegram will be shut down or disappear, there is no problem. We have all the data on our servers, and we also can choose another service or another tool to give access to everyone's account. Because of that reason, it's important. Some people give nicknames or some fun names, fantasy names. It's good to put your contact data, your real name in, that if sometimes something would happen, that we also can identify you and contact you. Okay, let's have a look at the portfolio. I don't want to go into details. I made a video with Stefan Lum where we spoke about the whole portfolio. It's in German, but I think there will be also one in the future where we go more into detail in English. I want to point out here this part and this part, the biggest ones. This is a project where I was involved since August last year. It's from a Swiss company, and we are bridge financing a project which is buying and selling rainforest in Paraguay. And the buyer of this acquired or bought rainforest regions is at the end a group of big insurances, and so we just do bridge financing, and this is also a good example. Such an opportunity is not on the market. You don't find it somewhere published in the internet, or even your banker don't have access to such projects. This is just because of our networks, and from also from our network, there is the opportunity, and we are looking at it, that if there is an interesting investment, we take it into the portfolio. And this part here is a real estate share from real estate in Dubai, because we also want to put a more solid and a stabilizing part into the portfolio. This is also because we made good returns, and we also want to make it more safe. This is why there was this 23% portfolio share real estate into the project. Even Dubai, we've been there. We've been also in the project development company and the huge construction company. Dubai will double the citizenship, the population in the next, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 years. So there is still a huge dynamic and growth, and we also have a part of real estate in our portfolio. Yeah, maybe you know this guy. He's a crazy man, a visionary, a pioneer, and a successful entrepreneur and investor. If somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, and then learn how to do it later. Many people are afraid or skeptical, and then they don't do things. They just stay in things they know. But if you want to expand your knowledge, your area of experience, you have to make steps. And we invite you to be part of Smart Invest, and step by step you will really get some new insights, some more knowledge, and at the end expanding also your network, your friendship circle, and you will have increasing situations in different aspects. So the marketing of this whole project, if you want to share your excitement like we do it now, if you want to share it with others, we have a referral program, and it's very simple. There is no commissions on deposits. We put all the money into the investments, and then from the returns, there is a share split on people who invite others. So there's a referral plan based on the success of the whole project and the whole investments we do. There is the opportunity to earn up to 10 levels. And here you see when you want to in the first till the fourth level or the third level, you need 3 partners. Here in the first level, it's wrong. You need 0 partners. When you have 1 partner, you already earn in the first level. When you have 2 partners, but in general, we say try to get 3 partners and then help them to get 3 partners. And when you want to go into the highest level, you need 20 partners, direct partners, and own deposit, own investment of 36,000 euro. But you can start with 100, 200, 500, and then you can work also upwards and reinvest earnings or commissions, and so you grow your team and also your portfolio step by step. Yeah, there is an outlook. We want to set up also some ranks. We haven't made it till now. There will also be a pool for for really engaged leaders. Stefan likes really to travel, so there will be very soon the announcement of a new incentive for having a meeting and doing a trip together. And of course, when you come together with great leaders, you learn from each other. So it's also about leadership, getting inspired and motivated, and yeah, being a part of an amazing community. We had an incentive trip to Mallorca. Stefan lives mostly there, and yeah, he's a great tour guide, so he always organizes a great program. And we just want to give you some impressions. Here we've been watching the championship. It was just at the beginning, doing a Segway tour, which was a lot of fun in Palma. And there is a good friend of Stefan, Frank Marussia, and he is a great winemaker. And we had a meeting there, and even the day before was Stefan's birthday, and so we had a great time. Here we've been at an artistic and music show, and also one partner of us, Roland, is a golf coach working in Mallorca. So if you ever will be there and try to play golf, make your first steps, or if you are already advanced, you get in contact with Roland, and you will have a huge step forward. We've been a nice group, I don't know, maybe 15 people, and really everyone had these aha moments, some experienced players and also total beginners like me. But it was really a great time. So how to start? It's very easy. Contact the person who invited you, as always in this kind of projects. Try to get your questions answered, and use the sign up link, set up your profile and start. If there are any questions, climb up the ladder, the upline, and try to get your questions answered, to get support. And if your direct partners are not able to help you, we have also a Telegram group in German, in English, You can ask questions there and also use the support opportunity in our profile on Telegram. So maybe you are now with Smart Invest, you get closer to your goal of financial freedom. I'm sure you will. And yeah, so this was the presentation. Now the time is open, or the call is open for questions. And yeah, thank you for your time and hope you will be part of Smart Invest, and we see each other soon.